The Daughters of Zelophehad, a legal confrontation for justice, reform, and social progress. Background and context. The story of the Daughters of Zelophehad is a significant biblical narrative found in the book of Numbers 27 to 1-11. It centers on 5 daughters: Mahlah, Noah, Hoglah, Milcah, and Tirzah, who confronted the prevailing patriarchal inheritance laws of ancient Israel. Their father, Zelophehad, died without leaving any sons, which under the traditional laws meant his property would pass to his male relatives, excluding his daughters. Legal confrontation and demand for justice. The daughters challenged this discriminatory practice by appealing directly to Moses and the leadership of Israel. They argued that it was unjust for them to be denied their father's inheritance simply because they were women. Their plea was not just a personal claim but a broader challenge to the existing legal and social norms that marginalized women's rights in property and inheritance. This confrontation is remarkable for several reasons. It represents one of the earliest recorded legal challenges against gender-based discrimination. The daughters' courage and persistence highlight a quest for fairness and justice within a rigid patriarchal system. Their case prompted a divine response, where God instructed Moses to change the inheritance laws to allow daughters to inherit if there were no sons, thus reforming the legal framework. Reform and social progress. The outcome of this legal confrontation was a landmark reform in Israelite law. It established a precedent for gender equity in inheritance rights. It reflected a divine endorsement of justice and fairness, emphasizing that laws should evolve to reflect ethical principles. The story symbolizes social progress by recognizing women's rights and challenging entrenched patriarchal norms. Broader implications and legacy. The Daughters of Zelophehad have become a powerful symbol in theological, legal, and feminist discussions. Their story is cited as an example of how marginalized groups can seek justice through legal means. It underscores the importance of reforming laws to promote social equity and justice. The narrative inspires contemporary movements for gender justice and legal reforms worldwide. References for further reading: Daughters of Zelophehad, Quest for Gender Justice in Land Acquisition and Ownership. Research article by K.T. Rasain, 2021. Zelophehad's daughters challenge the law, and Moses is speechless. The Torah. 2024. Feminist Theological Studies analyzing Numbers 27 to 111 and its implications for justice and reform.